everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So today I'm on with my little Step into Christmas series, and today's make are some tags. So the first one I'm going to share with you is this gorgeous blue one. So to create this one, I have used a circle nesting die. Then I took a lovely piece of organza ribbon, which I've glued down on top of the circle. Then I took this lovely scalloped edge circle die and I cut this circle from this beautiful paper. Look how lovely and sort of shiny, Christmassy that looks. It's absolutely gorgeous. And that is from a little paper pad, Creative Papers. I've got a couple of sheets left there. So that is the little scalloped circle. And then on the top, I've used this lovely flower, which is from a Sheena stamp. So I've stamped that out onto some darker blue card, just as a little bit of a contrast to the background. And then I embossed it using my Wow white embossing powder and popped this lovely little gem in the center. Look at the sparkle and the shine on the paper. It's absolutely gorgeous. So that's my first tag. So my second tag is using these lovely festive washi tapes. So the red one says Merry Christmas. The black background with the gold and green foliage and the lovely red berries. And then I've got this one with a white background and the little robin with the berries and the holly, and then the lovely gold one. And this is what I've created using these washi tapes. So I've popped them diagonally across the tag, starting, I think I started with the little robin, and then in between each of the decorated washi tapes I've popped the gold one, and I've popped this lovely red organza ribbon in, and then I had the lovely little cute Santa Claus and just popped that onto the foam pads, and there is my lovely second festive tag. For my third one, I did a white tag. I layered some red paper over the top. Then I used a piece of the gold washi tape and just popped that diagonally across. And then the little snowflakes I've stamped using my clear inks, and then popped the gold embossing powder over the top. And then in the center, I've got this lovely holographic gold card, and I die cut this lovely snowflake and popped a red gem in the center. And then to tie everything together, I popped the lovely satin red and gold ribbon through the top. And yeah, that is the next tag. And how festive is that one? So that tag there. And then this one is a gorgeous dark green and gold tag. So here I've popped a dark green background paper. Then I used my holographic gold card and I cut out my poinsettia flower. Then layered on top, I used the smaller poinsettia and I used a gold satin card, popped a little green pearl in the center, and I've popped that up onto some foam pads just to give it a little bit of dimension. And then for the foliage, I used the holographic card for this piece of foliage, and then on this side I've gone with the a gold satin foliage. And then my sentiment is a Merry Christmas die that I used again, the holographic card, and then at the top of the tag I've popped this gorgeous green organza ribbon. It's got lots of lovely sparkly little bits inside the ribbon, and then I've wrapped it with some lovely gold twine around the ribbon, tied it into a lovely little bow, and then I used a piece of the holographic card just to cover where I've punched the hole at the top of the tag. And yeah, that is my gorgeous dark green and gold tag. And then the last tag, I did the Merry Christmas washi tape and this lovely pinky bronze glitter washi tape, and I've just gone across the tag, working my way up the tag until I got to the top. I then popped this lovely red organza ribbon. I had this cute stamp. This was one of my birthday gifts from the lovely Jenny at Jenny's Crafty Corner. So I've stamped the cute little girl who was carrying her Christmas pudding. I've coloured her in, popped her onto some foam pads, and then stuck her onto the top of my tag. And I think this one is great that you can still see the Merry Christmas coming through the tag. And yeah, there you go. There's just a few ideas for some Christmas tags. So that's the 5 I've made and created today. So yeah, there you go. I hope you have enjoyed my little share with you today. If you have, would you please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and yeah, that's it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care. See you soon. And bye-bye for now.